Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add sticker in CapCut. So tap on new project, select your video, photos or audio you want to edit, and I'm going to select my project here. And how to add a sticker, it's super simple. Tap on sticker button here. So you are just going to select sticker you like here. For instance, going to select this sticker, can resize, and just click check marks here. So just for duration until the end of the video. So here we go. That's how to add a sticker in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.